Good morning, class. So we are dealing with the topic arid waveguide grating. So what is arid waveguide grating? Basically, AWG is used as a wavelength selective filter or a waveguide switch in optical network. So AWG can be used as a multiplexer or demultiplexer in WDM, just like your diffraction grating, or you can say like your Fabry-Peytre filters. It can be used as a multiplexer and demultiplexer. Similarly, this AWG also can be used as a multiplexer or demultiplexer in WDM. So it consists of two couplers, namely input and output coupler. So let us assume one coupler input has n input ports and m output ports. So while output coupler has m input ports and n output ports, इंटरचेंज किया है ना. इनपुट कपलर को हमने n इनपुट पोर्ट्स एंड m आउटपुट पोर्ट्स कंसिडर किया, वैसे ही आउटपुट कपलर को m इनपुट पोर्ट्स एंड n आउटपुट पोर्ट्स हमने कंसिडर किया है. So these two couplers are connected by using m number of optical fiber cables, and these connecting cables are called as arrayed waveguides. इन्हीं को जो cables है उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं, arrayed waveguides, और इसीलिए coupler को क्या बोलते हैं, arrayed waveguide gratings को arrayed waveguide gratings. So all these components of AWG, namely input output couplers along with input output waveguides, the arrayed waveguides, all are fabricated on a single substrate. The substrate material is usually SiO2 or silica, indium phosphide, INP. The incoming light traverses a free space or input waveguides and enters into input coupler. So the input coupler couples these light rays to M optical fibers. These fibers are called as arrayed waveguides, and these fibers are having different lengths. Due to difference in length, every fiber produces different phase to incoming wavelength, and all these signal from M optical fibers are coupled to free space or output waveguides through optical coupler or output coupler. The signal passing through arrayed waveguide interface with the signal passing through neighboring arrayed waveguides. So these interference can be constructive or destructive. Constructive होगा तो in phase, destructive होगा तो out of phase. So depending on interference, a signal of required wavelength can be obtained at the output device. And when there are only two input ports and two output ports, the such AWG we can call as a Mach-Zehnder interferometer, like Fabry-Peytre filters. There is one again interferometer, that is Mach-Zehnder interferometer. So these arrayed waveguide gratings are commonly used for optical multiplexer in WDM system, and these devices are capable of multiplexing many wavelengths into single optical fiber, and thereby मतलब उससे क्या होता है, ट्रांसमिशन कैपेसिटी ऑप्टिकल नेटवर्क्स की इंक्रीज होती है. सो इट इंक्रीजेज द ट्रांसमिशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ ऑप्टिकल नेटवर्क्स कंसिडरेबली. सो द डिवाइसेस आर बेस्ड ऑन fundamental principle of optics of light waves of different wavelengths which do not interfere linearly with each other. This means you can say that if each channel in an optical communication network make use of light of slightly different wavelength, then light from many of these channels can be carried by a single optical fiber with negligible crosstalk between these or those channels. So what I say that the devices are based on fundamental principle of optics of light waves. Different wavelengths do not interfere linearly with each other. This means your channel in an optical communication network make use of light of different wavelength. Then light from many of these channels can be carried by a single optical fiber with negligible crosstalk between those channels. The AWGs are used to multiplex channels of several wavelengths onto a single optical fiber at the transmission end, and also used as a demultiplexer to retrieve individual channel of different wavelength at the receiving end of the optical communication network. Means at the transmitting end क्या काम करेगा वो, एज अ मल्टीप्लेक्सर, मतलब सारे डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ के जो चैनल्स हैं उनको सिंगल ऑप्टिकल के फाइबर पे ट्रांसमिट करने का काम करेगा एज अ मल्टीप्लेक्सर, और वैसे ही एट डी मल्टीप्लेक्सर साइड रिट्रीव करेगा इंडिविजुअल चैनल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ्स एट दी रिसीविंग एंड. ओके, सो the conventional silica based AWG जो है that are planar light wave circuits fabricated by depositing doped and undoped layers of silica on a silica substrate. The AWGs consist of number of input and output couplers, a free propagation region, and the grating waveguides. So the grating consists of many waveguides with a constant length increment, that is your del L. उसको constant length increment means हमेशा length increment होता रहेगा, but वो भी किससे डिनोट किया है, del L से. So light is coupled into the device via an optical fiber connected to the input port. So light diffracting out of the input waveguide at the coupler or slab interface propagates through the free space region and eliminates the grating with a Gaussian distribution. Each wavelength of light coupled to the grating waveguides undergo a constant change of phase attributed to the constant length increment in grating waveguides. So light diffracted from each waveguide of the grating interferes constructively and gets refocused at the output waveguides, with the spatial position, the output channels being wavelength dependent on array phase shift. Okay. So this is all about arrayed waveguide gratings. I'll repeat about arrayed waveguide gratings. Basically these इसको हम AWG भी बोलते हैं. तो AWG के बारे में फिर से एक बार मैं शॉर्ट में इसको बताती हूँ. व्हाट इज़ AWG? इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ वेवलेंथ सेलेक्टिव फिल्टर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड यू कैन से वेवलेंथ स्विच इन ऑप्टिकल नेटवर्क. इसी को हम वेवलेंथ स्विच भी बोल सकते हैं. सो AWG कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ मल्टीप्लेक्सर और डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर इन WDM. It consists of two couplers, input and output coupler. So assume one input coupler has n number of input ports and m number of output ports, and vice versa. At the side of output coupler, it has m number of input ports and n output ports. So these two couplers are connected by using m number of optical fiber cables. These connecting cables are called as arrayed waveguide, and ultimately this waveguide is called this grating is called as arrayed waveguide gratings. So all these components of AWG, namely input output couplers along with input output waveguides and the arrayed waveguides, that is your cables, all are fabricated on a single substrate. In that substrate is SiO2, silica or indium phosphide, that is INP. So the incoming light transfers of free space or input waveguides and enters into input coupler. The input coupler couples these light rays to M optical fibers, means your cable. So these fibers are called as arrayed waveguides, that we already saw that these cables are called as arrayed waveguides, and these fibers are having different lengths. Due to difference in length, every fiber produces different phase to incoming wavelength. All these signals from M optical fibers are coupled to free space or output waveguide through output coupler, and the signal passing through arrayed waveguides interfere with the signal passing through neighboring arrayed waveguides. This interference can be constructive, या तो कंस्ट्रक्टिव हो सकता है या तो डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो सकता है. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन इंटरफेरेंस, सिग्नल ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड वेवलेंथ कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड एट दी output devices, and when there are only two input ports and two output ports, then such AWG is called as, अगर सिर्फ दो इनपुट और दो आउटपुट पोर्ट है तो उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, मैक्स-जेंडर इंटरफेरोमीटर, दैट इज MZI. abbreviation है उसका MZI. So this is all about your AWG, arrayed waveguide grating. So today we have seen fiber gratings. What are gratings? Fiber gratings. Grating means a series of grooves that are formed such that a particular wavelength of light is reflected and other wavelengths should be transmitted. So then types of fiber gratings, that is fiber Bragg gratings and long period fiber gratings. Then advantages of fiber gratings. Which are advantages of fiber gratings? At first, it possesses very low losses. Then it is easily coupled with another fibers. These are not sensitive to polarizations. Again, it has a low temperature coefficients, and packaging is simple in case of fiber gratings, and its cost is also low. So these all are the advantage of your fiber gratings. Then we have seen FBG application for multiplexing and demultiplexing function. Then we have seen Fabry-Perot filters. Later we have seen diffraction gratings and arrayed waveguide gratings. And arrayed waveguide gratings में अगर only there are if there is only two input ports and two output ports, then such AWG is called as Mach-Zehnder interferometer, that is MZI. Later, and our next topic is optical amplifiers. So in next lecture we have to see optical amplifiers. देन सेमीकंडक्टर ऑप्टिकल एम्पलीफायर क्या होता है, उसमें रमन फाइबर एम्पलीफायर्स है, वाइड बैंड फाइबर एम्पलीफायर्स है. तो ये ऑल अबाउट ऑप्टिकल एम्पलीफायर्स वी विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.